What's up, guys? So it's time for a Yabo, yet another box opening. So this box is a little bit bigger for the table here. All right, so I'm gonna put it off to the side. Today's EDC is the Gerber 06 Auto. You guys will definitely see a review on that. That's the 10th anniversary version of it. I want to get some of that cutting action here on camera, since the box is a little bit bigger. You can see most of the cutting off screen there, but yeah. So bump the bump the camera. Super awkward. Probably should have done this one outside, but anyway, let's see. So well wrapped. Wait. Pull this up here. Oh wow. Oh, there's a ton of stuff in here. Oh my god. All right, bumping the camera again. Hang on. Oh my god, it's a whole box of stuff. So I'm gonna dump all this out. Yabo time. All right, I'm gonna put all this on the table here, spread it all out for you, and then we're gonna go through it. All right, there's just a ton of stuff here. It did come with some notes here. This one says read first. The other one, hold on. It says, okay, this is the private information. So basically, Mark is getting married. So first off, congratulations, Mark. That is amazing. I mean, best thing that ever happened in my life besides Gus was meeting Christina, now my wife. It's an awesome thing. And basically what he was saying is the videos got him into a lot of different things, and he wanted to send me his collection. This is literally his whole knife collection, which I'm taken back by. You know, it's totally unnecessary. I kind of wish you sold all your stuff to, you know, it's a fun, you know, part of your wedding or whatever, you know, but he basically said he's starting a new chapter and he wanted to start fresh and everything. And he is just interested in a neck knife. And I am going to hook Mark up with a really nice neck knife. All right. So Mark, if you're watching, well, you're probably watching this video. You got it, buddy. I will send you a really nice neck knife. Him and his fiance are into the outdoor stuff. And he just was interested in a little fixed blade. So yes, I will definitely hook you up. Thank you for the massive hookup. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is just open this up. So I'm not spending half the time, you know, just opening each one of these little, you know, packages up. I'll line everything up and I'll show you what we got here. All right, guys, I am back and I am completely wowed. I mean, look at this stuff here. Awesome, awesome stuff. My battery is unfortunately very low, so I can't go over everything here, but there are a couple things I wanted to point out. But there's some really, really cool ones like this I've never seen before. This is an unbranded knife. This is gonna go into my unique knife collection. And I don't know if you guys can really tell, but the actual, there's a ball in here, almost like a bearing. It feels hollow, so it's light. But all that's doing is pushing down on an inside liner lock. So it's basically a liner lock knife. But instead of pushing the liner down, there's a ball in here. I don't know if you could see that with the light. The ball pushes down the liner, which disengages it, but they call it a ball lock. Okay, and when it opens up, it just pushes that ball to the top. But it does kind of like roll around. You can see it there with the scratches and stuff. It just rolls around. Kind of feels like a ball on a mouse or something, like you're scrolling. Just, I don't know, super, super weird and unique. Probably maybe a 90s style knife. But I think that is awesome. Like, I like that stuff the most. I like the weird things. It's just, it's so cool. Also, when I was opening this up, it's kind of funny that I have the 06 Auto from Gerber, and this is the assisted version, essentially. I mean, if you look at the knives here, there's the Auto version. And I think I push up on here. This is the assisted version. All right? I mean, same knife, really. Different blade shape, obviously, different colors, but same ergonomics, same handle and stuff. Really, really cool. So I thought that was pretty cool. Yeah, I mean, I've had a couple of these knives. Some I haven't. The Balisong, I actually never had an M-Tech branded Balisong. It's basically just a Benchmade trainer blade copy, all right? You know, just, you know, it's whatever. But I just thought that was really cool. This is going to go in the collection as well. A lot of great users here. I will touch upon this knife. All right, this knife and this knife, actually, okay? There's two things that are similar about these knives and two things that are very, very different, all right? And I don't want to get into a whole rant here. This is a Strider counterfeit, okay? This is a Lion Steel copy. Big difference, okay? We know this is a Gonzo knife. I've had this before. Actually, I think I did a review on this one. Gonzo / Firebird. You can see the logo there. All right, this is a copy of another very popular knife, right? This is a counterfeit. Okay, the big difference is that this has fake markings. It says Strider, all right, it's got the Tony Bose heat treat mark on there, the Strider logo on the back, and this is definitely not made by Strider, okay? I know, you know, it's very popular. It's just like, you know, if you have a designer shoe or something, you know, you don't want to spend $500 on the real shoes, you know, you spend $20 on the fake ones or whatever. There's a lot of stuff out there that's counterfeited because people want really popular things and expensive things. You don't want to spend a bunch of money. But I can just tell you firsthand that I've had this particular Strider before, the real one, and it's worlds different. I mean, it really is. The quality level is just, it's not there on the counterfeit ones. But from like a political point, I don't support this kind of stuff, but I get it in trades and gifts. And I actually really do appreciate that because it lets me, you know, try these out. It lets me, you know, see what the market, what's going on in the market, you know, because there's plenty of people talking about it all the time. I don't want to spend money on it. I don't want to support, you know, someone who's stealing and, you know, making something that's fake. That's what this is. This is fake. This is not necessarily fake. It's just a copy. They're both stolen designs, but if you're going to steal a design, not that I condone that at all, it's better to at least put a different logo on it to show who's actually making, as opposed to completely trying to deceive people, okay? They're both not cool. You know, from a moral standpoint, I don't like either one, but I turn more of a blind eye to clones or copies as opposed to counterfeits, okay? Anyway, just some really, really cool stuff. This is actually the only non-knife related stuff. There's some paracord here. There's a really, really cool keychain, let's call it. All right, it's actually pretty comfortable. And there's a cell phone case, which has like a koi fish on it, which is actually really nice. Really like that. So anyway, that is it for now, guys. The battery is about to die, but I'm going to talk to Mark on Instagram. Thank him, of course, for this amazingly generous package, and I will figure out what neck knife he wants, and it is his. And he doesn't know yet, because I didn't mention it yet, but I'm going to give his wife one as well. They're both going to be out doing backpacking and all kinds of adventures and stuff. I think they should both have a nice, convenient neck knife. So that is it. The generosity from you guys is overwhelming. It really is. Sometimes you guys are just too much. I mean, I certainly appreciate it, but it's so unnecessary. But thank you anyway. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.